Hello everyone, I'm Matt Hoots with Softwares, and we are going to go over how to clean out the filter on a Whirlpool washer. Unfortunately, like other models, usually the filter is underneath the panel that is on the front, but on this one it is not, so we're going to pull it out and access it from the back. Alright, for safety reasons, I'm going to unplug this. That way I don't get electrocuted. I'm going to leave the lines in place because they don't really affect what we're trying to do here. Now with this particular model, unfortunately the pump and the filter are underneath this panel. So I've got a impact wrench with a 1/4 inch driver, and we are going to use that, a socketed driver, and we're going to use that to quickly remove all these. So that's 12 screws in all, and you only need to remove the screws that are actually holding the panel up. There's extra screws in the back of this, but do not remove those. Next, we're going to slide the panel off and get access to the pump. We've got the back panel off, and we are going inside the washing machine. And this is at the very bottom, and you can see that this is where the pump is, and this is the filter that we're going to remove and clean out the debris. So the first thing we're going to do is stick a pan in the bottom. That way when we remove this, by turning it counterclockwise, we don't have to worry about water spilling all over the floor. Got the pan in place. Let's go ahead and remove this. We're turning this counterclockwise. I'm not sure how much water's stuck in here, but the pump was not working, and that's why we started working on this. Looks like this is going to fill up, so what we're going to do is slow this down just a little bit by tightening it back up, dump this water out, and then we'll put it back in place and do this again until all the water is drained because the pump is clogged. All right, we've got the filter out, and to be honest, I was expecting something a little bit worse than this, and it looks like the filter is not in fact clogged. So that means either the drain line going out of the back of the washing machine is clogged up, or the pump is going bad. Let's hope that it is the drain line and not the pump. All right, so that's how you remove the back panel and clean out the filter, and that's the point of this video. We did check the drain line and it was not clogged, so we ended up replacing the pump, and that'll be another video altogether. Once you clean out the filter, go ahead and put the back panel back on, push it back in place, and then you can do laundry.